Have you ever noticed how some days are longer and some nights feel endless? Or why the sun sometimes rises high in the sky and other times barely peaks above the horizon? The answer lies in two special events that shape our seasons, the equinox and the solstice. Let's explore these cosmic events. The Earth is not standing straight, it is tilted. Our planet leans on its axis by about 23.5 degrees as it orbits the Sun. Because of this tilt, different parts of the Earth receive different amounts of sunlight throughout the year. This is what causes seasons, and it is also why we have solstice and equinox. Let's start with the June solstice with this image. As we know, the Earth's axis is always tilted at 23.5 degree. Around June 21st or 22nd, the North Pole is tilted toward the Sun, as you can see in this image. The Sun shines directly over the Tropic of Cancer, making it the longest day of the year in Northern Hemisphere, and summer season begins here. Meanwhile, the southern hemisphere faces away from the sun, making the shortest day and the start of winter in southern hemisphere. Then comes the December solstice around December 21st or 22nd. Now the south pole is tilted toward the sun as you can see in this image. The sun is directly above the Tropic of Capricorn, making it the longest day of the year in the southern hemisphere, and summer season begins in southern hemisphere. And for the northern hemisphere, it is the shortest day and winter season begins in northern hemisphere. We have two solstices each year. Now let's talk about the equinox. The word equinox means equal night. And just like the name says, on these days, day and nights are nearly equal all over the world. The Earth's tilt is still there, but during an equinox, it is not tilted toward or away from the sun. Instead, both hemispheres receive sunlight almost equally. Let's start with March equinox. It is around March 21st or 22nd. The sun shines directly on the equator, marking spring in the northern hemisphere and autumn in the southern hemisphere. Then comes September equinox around September 21st or 22nd. Again, the sun is above the equator, but this time it is autumn in the northern hemisphere and spring in the southern hemisphere. So the equinox is when the day and night balance almost perfectly. Like solstice, also we have two equinox each year. So basically, solstice, when the sun stands still, it brings the longest or shortest day. Equinox, when the sun crosses the equator, it brings equal day and night. Now you know why our days and nights change throughout the year. Keep looking up and you will see the amazing dance of the sun across the sky. Thank you so much for watching this video.